Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix microphone not working in NVIDIA app. So let's start. So you have to fix first your microphone and check if it's working correctly. Then you have to go to the taskbar here and then just click on the microphone. Right click here and then you can check for example the setting sound here, and we'll open this one. Then you have to go to the into pot in your microphone and check if it is working correctly. If it is working correctly, you can check here the voice it's sounding here and the line is appearing. But if the microphone is not working, this line won't appear. So if you want to fix it, just click here on fix problems and then it appears this one. Okay, then you can check the advanced settings and click here if you have any other setting that you can modify. So that's how you can start fixing your microphone if you have trouble with this one. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.